Okay, so good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are all doing well. So today I'm gonna be explaining how to install TSM on Windows. Now, the basic thing is that we are installing TSM on Windows for, a course that is being taught here at the University of Exeter. We're teaching how to apply applied econometrics course using TSM. So let me start. This is myself, this is my email, and this is my office hours and my room and my web page. Now, TSM is a software that is being created by Professor James Davidson. The nice thing about TSM, it's available for free for anybody who is working in non-industrial organization. So it's only used for personal use and academic research. And the beauty of TSM is that it doesn't require a lot of coding and like other available softwares. It only requires basic stuff. It's somehow very similar to eViews, but it is a free version of it because you don't need to pay you don't need to pay for it. And the beautiful thing about it is that everything currently happening in time series analysis has already been coded by Professor James Davidson, and that's the beauty of using TSM instead of any other software. Like if you want to go and use R is a very nice language, but the problem is that it is not user interface, like not so kind of convenient for those who doesn't know the technicalities to work with it. But here you just need to press buttons and you will reach your final analysis. So we will go through it in details right now. I'm just gonna be describing why TSM is important. I somehow mentioned all of these things. So let's start. So the first thing I would like you to do is to go to the very bottom of this page. So as you can see, if we move, I'm gonna put the links down there, so don't worry, but it's just more convenient for me for now to just press on this. So this is the software. This is software, TSM software. And the first thing that you need to do is to install the basic things, and we need all of these convenience in order to install TSM on your Windows. So we should need to start by installing Ox. So Ox is available here from Dornick page, and we will install this. So I have a Windows 10, so we're gonna install this. So we say save. So we wait for it. Let's keep it running. So TSM is available here on James Davidson webpage. So this is the software. This is time series modeling version 4. So and here you can download TSM. And the beauty of it, TSM documentation is available here. Okay, so download TSM mode. This is also, you can also download this. So let's run first of all Ox. So here I'm installing Ox now. And then we press next, I accept, then next, and we press on next. So this is the directory, C program files. This is x86 because it's a 64-bit, and then it's going to be on Oxymetric 7. So that's fine. Install. So yes, and then install. The other thing I would like to tell you is also that TSM is also you could also install it on Mac, and I also released a video of that, so you can also watch it if you have a Mac. So I'm not gonna start it. I'm not gonna view the documentation. I'm just gonna say hit finish. The other thing we want to do is we need to install Java. Java could be available in this link. So just I agree to proceed, and then agree and start free download. And then let's press save. and then we shall run. So next, yes. So here it is, Java. Should wait for that. Here it is, sorry. Next, okay. And voila, Java is there. Just gonna double check that it's there. Oh, here it is. It's running, it's installing Java. By the way, I'm gonna put these links in the YouTube video so that everybody could really access it. Okay, so don't worry about these technicalities. So I'm gonna close this for now. I'm gonna close this for now. I'm also gonna close this for now. So this might take some time depending on your computer speed. Okay, so now we have successfully installed Java, which is good. So we're gonna close this. Now the other thing we want to do is to install Gunplot or GNUplot. So we go now to this web page. So this is GNUplot. I accept. Alright, so we're gonna go to this one. So you can just wait for it. Your download will start shortly. So press save.